skies. In Eau Claire, it was 40 degrees under sunny skies. Now the
this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
But many of them still seem to be believing him. Latinos who care a lot about small businesses, they're the largest growing demographic in terms of entrepreneurship and small business. And they've said, we care about deregulation. We care about lower taxes. And while the president is saying, I'm going to deliver that. While we know small businesses are suffering. Why are so many constituents believing what he's saying?
This is a test of the West Central Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Message